Everyday Auto Reviews, where we do auto reviews for you. So welcome back. This week we actually got out there and we were able to do our first giveaway to our first subscriber, which was really awesome. First time I was able to do it, hopefully not the last. I'm gonna have as many giveaways as I get reviews, so expect a review and a giveaway at least once a month for, you know, just general purpose. Unfortunately I haven't been posting this week because I got really sick. I was, dealing with my cold. I couldn't do it. I tried to get on the computer, took little videos here and there, went and met the guy that won the Dash and Glass Cleaner, which was really cool, cool guy. He was a little bit knowledgeable in his own stuff. Super happy that I was able to meet him. So, we do have a website, everydayautoreviews.com. Now, mind you, that isn't full yet, but with your guys' help and, continuous, back and forth, we should go from 0 to 100 real quick. I mean, a video a week should be pretty fast. I do need you guys to like and subscribe. That's the only way you're going to win right now, because that's the only way we have it set up. I can just check and see who's subscribed and, what level and what number you are. I don't know how we're going to do it. We're still trying to figure it out and make it fair for everybody. This is just a recap video. I will be doing a new video next week. Like I said, I just didn't have the time this week to get to it, and I wanted to post out at least the giveaway so that way people see we're not full of shit, not giving away stuff. Ooh, I don't think I can say that. Well, this is our winner, our first subscriber. His name is Roland. He won our Dash and Glass Cleaner. Congratulations, man. So you have anything you want to say to anybody?
Just make sure you subscribe, like, and visit the everydayautoreviews.com.
Yeah, thank you.